Hey, Rob here from Reno. I just wanted to say thanks to Solar Pool Supply for getting the setup here. Here's my pool. It's sitting at about 84 degrees in Reno, Nevada, which is pretty impressive. I've only been running it for about 10 days now. I'll show you the setup in here. Pretty simple. It was really easy to do. Just patched it on in right in there, and all these parts came from Matt. He sort of put the system together, and I messed up on one part, and he got one 2-day aired to me, so I really appreciate that. You can see here, comes out of that pool room. Ran the pipes up, painted them. Makes a big difference for sure. And then I'll run up here, and you can see the setup on the roof here. Yep, there it is. So yeah, everything's running perfectly. Again, very happy with the kit. Did it all myself. Pretty straightforward setup. Instructions were super easy to follow, and kids and family are happy swimming in warm water. So thanks, appreciate it.